Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to consider, my presumption is that you're primarily practicing your Tàijíquán with an eye towards martial functionality, or you're primarily practicing your Tàijíquán with an eye towards, let's say, circulation or healing or Qigong kind of qualities. I suppose it's possible that you're precisely 50-50, but I would guess that most people, and that's been my experience, not just a guess, most people favor one or the other ordinarily. And maybe it's not, maybe it changes. It's 80% this for a while, and then another period of time it's 80% this. But at any rate, currently, recently, today, now, these days, I'm finding that I'm thinking of this aspect primarily. So the Tai Chi tip of the day is to switch that. If you ordinarily or mostly or recently have mostly been considering it your Tai Chi Chuan in a martial functional way, let's switch that and think of it more in terms of circulation or healing or in a sort of Qigong light. If you are more favoring or maybe even almost entirely thinking in terms of healing, in terms of circulation, in terms of sort of Qigong kind of qualities, maybe you follow today's tip and you'll focus a little bit more intently on the martial functionality. So that may be harder to do than you think. You may have these sort of grooves worn into your practice where when I get to this place, I tend to think this way and consider this. So this is an invitation to find some balance in your intention. So thank you very much. And remember, the intent of your teacher was to make the world better through making you somehow better. How are you doing with that? Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.